Namaste, welcome to Handmade. My name is Sunny. If before 1st of May 2025, someone would have shown me these pictures and asked if I could make them, I would have gotten visibly nervous and instantly started sweating. Then, with roller coaster of confidence and doubt wrapped in some ego, with excitement, I would have said I would love to try it. So I did, and this video is about all those emotions I got to feel with initial thought of trying out something new. And now I'm aware this sculpture is far from how the masters made the original sculpture, but if I may say, it's a fairly good for a first attempt of something that is extremely detailed with so much anatomy. And I'm also aware it would take me hundreds of hours of practice to get anywhere near the original sculpture. To which I would say, I'm ready for this challenge. And now I will let you enjoy this video. Hope you enjoy it. I appreciate your time and support. And if you like this attempt of mine, you could support by subscribing to my channel, liking my videos and sharing them with the one who wanna watch them. It's a new journey for me at sculpting. If you want to watch it, hit the bell icon to get notified for my future videos. Viewers, just so you know, this project is up for sale. If anyone sees this as an art you would like to display at your place, do contact me through DMs on Instagram for further details. Thank you again. I will see you guys soon and I hope you enjoy this video.